Yes, even if I must look like a peacock, it's fine. You know, whatever.
Oh, wow. Girl, is that you?
We are going to do a shoot. Yes, and Mabambi is here, guys. Hi.
Wait, are you from South Africa?
Yeah. Sisters in the house.
Sisters.
You didn't know?
I didn't know.
Mabambi is the queen of posing. You should see her Instagram.
Oh my gosh, I love pictures. I'm
Okay,
always
she's gonna
taking
help.
pictures. I'm always posing.
It's good.
I can help. I don't mind. I call myself Mabambi.
So your language, your mother tongue, what is it? What is
It's Sesotho.
Sesotho.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Mine is Afrikaans. Obviously.
Obviously, yeah.
Mine is Afrikaans.
And mine is Patwa, you know, guys.
Yours Patwa.
Patois. Oh, wow. I never knew this. I thought Jamaicans only speak English.
Oh, no.
I knew they
Oh,
spoke
you have
Patois.
tribes and what? Patois.
Patwa.
Patwa.
I think we should go for something classy, not
That's gonna go with all the
colors.
outfits.
Yeah, that's gonna go with all the outfits.
Alright.
Yeah, something subtle and
Yeah.
classy and nice.
Yeah. That one.
Which one?
This one is super kawaii.
Makeup brushes, the good ones. If you want to get some brushes, you should get these.
I don't even have any brushes.
You just want makeup, like for your hair.
Nice. Maybe for my hair.
Your hair.
For my hair, I have one brush.
Okay.
I'm
I
very low
need,
maintenance.
Oh, girl. Looking pretty already. We haven't even done, but you're looking pretty already. I want us to put glitter here and the front. So,
Where exactly?
We're going in with the Cosmos.
it doesn't want blue. It's gonna be fine. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Your hair is so beautiful.
Thank you.
It's so big. So pretty.
Yes.
Now for the makeup.
Now for the makeup? I thought you were done.
The eyes
Done.
are done.
The eyes are done, but not even really done because we still need to line the bottom after this, and then we still need to put on the
Guys,
lashes.
I know nothing about makeup.
Really?
I thought you were finished.
Oh,
I was like, gosh, you look so pretty. You look so nice. It's amazing what just doing eyes can do, eh? Yeah.
highlight the eyes.
Yes.
It is, right? It
Romantic.
changes everything.
Nice the stuff here.
I'm sure.
I don't
Does
know.
it feel good on your skin?
It does.
I'm sure I can just see. It feels good. For sure. You blend and blend until Jesus comes. For it to come out nicely.
Okay,
Ew.
Oh.
Oh, Chante. You know.
Gosh, you look so beautiful. I can't believe it. You look so beautiful. Oh, wow. Girl, is that you?
Yes.
So beautiful.
Yeah, I think it was only the two that had the. Yeah.
Oh my God, look at you.
Are you getting excited? Are you feeling it?
I am feeling it. I just need to make sure I pose properly.
I can help with posing, I don't mind.
Camera lights are going pop. This should be like a time lapse. It's fun when you do it.
Yeah.
What is this, like concealer?
That's concealer. And then we have to do this to contour. not too much because it's too dark and her skin is not that dark. Because this makeup is a bit, do you see it's a bit red? I'm trying to bring back the color just a bit. Yeah.
Can't believe how long your hair is.
It's so long.
It's here.
So lucky.
It's here. It's pretty.
It's pretty.
I was like, oh my god. And I was like, this. I was like, ooh.
I'm so proud of you for going natural.
You know, right? Like,
Yours, oh my god.
now that I know how to take care of it, yes, want her.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
I love the eyes as well.
I was like, I couldn't do this, you know, like I would be done in like 10 minutes if I were putting on my makeup.
Really?
Because yeah, I don't do like lots of these things. I do basic.
The basics.
I don't even do the basics.
Can't wait! It's nothing. She just washes her face and it's like,
She's got natural beauty.
yeah.
I like that. I think we all should just, celebrate that as
Really?
women. Yes. Because
What
men don't
about
do
when
this.
you have to go to weddings and stuff?
I don't care. I still go like this. Maybe just
Really?
just put on something pretty, like a nice outfit or something like that.
Mm.
Yeah. If I'm like in a wedding party and the bride wants me now to have, I'm not gonna say no. Yes, even if I must look like a peacock, it's fine. Whatever.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
People, do you see what's happening here?
Yes, you're transforming.
Oh my God. Okay.
Transformer.
Oh my god.
We want to blend here, we don't want any lines.
Alright, so.
Yeah, that's why you have to do that. We don't want any lines here. Now you're a pro.
Oh no, I got these from April. Yeah. Guys, look at more, look at more. Oh my god, smoking. Hot. Chili hot.
This is for the left eye, right?
Yeah.
Did you measure?
Here.
Oh, wow, these lashes are everything. Woo.
What she did to me. Look at her. Hi guys.
Guys, I'm so excited. Check
We're
out the
doing
Okay.
her now.
Tato,
Do I need
hold
to
this.
help?
Hold this, because I want to just get
The gel?
the job. And then where's that brush? I have a brush.
Yo.
Gorgeous. She doesn't need much.
She's gorgeous.
It's amazing.
Oh, which video?
It's a reel.
Oh, I edit. You take a lot of clips
Francie,
and then
put
you
some
edit.
more here, please.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Wider?
Put them at the end.
Yeah, just randomly at the end. That's fine.
I think that's okay. Ready?
Ooh,